It takes a lot to recruit drivers in today's market, and every open seat has a cost. Your screens light up before the day begins. Your inbox is full before the first call. Drivers have gone quiet. Your C-suite wants to know why hiring costs keep climbing. You don't need urgency explained, you live it. Because recruiting doesn't pause, and even when freight slows, the competition for drivers doesn't. The pressure hasn't changed, but the landscape has. You're moving fast, managing leads, taking calls, chasing drivers who disappear without warning, all while the market moves faster than ever. Freight doesn't stop when the day ends, and neither does recruiting. Technology works after hours. The race to hire isn't won 8 to 5. It's being first to the qualified driver, because being first often wins the hire. AI cuts through the noise, identifies real intent, triggers action at the right moment, puts the right driver in front of you, ready to talk, ready to move. It doesn't replace your expertise, it amplifies it. So what if AI enabled your recruiters to have meaningful conversations with drivers? What if 70% of your qualified pipeline actually connected with a recruiter? What if your process filtered out the noise, so your team focused on high-intent drivers, not dead ends? What if faster response meant fewer lost seats? What if you could cut thousands from your cost per hire while building a stronger, more qualified pipeline? This isn't a future vision. It's happening now. The future is where AI meets ROI. AI-powered recruitment solutions built for today's market and engineered for what's next. Because in an industry that never stops moving, neither should you.